Tell me if this is normal. All right, let's try again. Let's do this one more time. Is this normal? Let me show you how you can change the charging sound on your iPhone. And I'm gonna make it extremely simple. Let's just dive right into it. All right, so I promised I'm gonna make it extremely simple so you guys understand. Now, the first thing you wanna do on your iPhone is to just download a MP3 file or the sound file that you need. In this case, as you just saw, I actually downloaded the Fahhh sound, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna put some links in the description box below, completely free to download. So I got the Zedge link that actually goes like this. Yep. So what I'm gonna stop this. So what I'm gonna do is to just click on download, and it will automatically download in 15 seconds. So just give it a couple of seconds and it should automatically download it for you. So let's just wait for the download. All right, so once the download is complete, it's gonna ask you to save the file. So I'm just gonna tap on save, click on files, just select your files, click save, and it should be downloaded inside your file. So if you want to check the audio file, you can just go into the files and you can see I have it right there. So inside the files app, you want to go into on my iPhone and you can see it right there. Now, if you use Chrome to download this, just go inside the Chrome and you can see I've downloaded the file multiple times. If I want to play this, so yeah, there you go. It actually works. So the audio file, we got the audio file now. All right, now let's do this. So open the Shortcuts app. It should be pre-installed on pretty much every single iPhone. If you don't have that, you can actually just download it from the App Store. It's from Apple. So once you're inside the Shortcuts, you're gonna see it at the bottom. You have automation right there. You can see it at the bottom. You have automation. So just tap on automation. Once you're inside the automation, all you have to do is just tap on new automation. Now, inside the list, you just want to find something called charger. As you can see, we have the charger right there. Just tap on the charger. Now, inside the charger, you want to select run immediately and make sure it is connected, is selected. That is super important. Next up, just tap on the next at the top right corner. Once you're inside the next, don't worry about it. As I said before, I promised I'm going to make it extremely simple, right? So next up, what you want to do is just tap on the create new shortcut right there. That's the first option. Just tap on that. And once you tap on that, it will ask you for, now this is the screen that you should be seeing, right? As you can see, it's asking for some actions. Just tap on search action and just type in file. Don't do anything else, just type in file. Select the files. Don't worry about anything else. Just select the file. That is super, super important. Tap on file and just don't tap on file and select file only. So it should be the third option. Just tap on file and this should look exactly like this on your iPhone as well. Next up, what you want to do is just tap on the file again and it will ask you to select the file. We download the file inside the Chrome, so you have two, at least I have two. So what I'm gonna do is just tap on one of these. Once you select your MP3 sound, which is in this case, I've got this one, tap on open. Really simple. It should look exactly like this. Next up, we wanna do is to tap on search again. And we wanna type in play sound. So play sound. Once you type in play, you should be able to see something called play sound right there. Super important. Just tap on play sound. And once you do that, you should be able to play the sound automatically without doing anything. At the bottom, you can see you have a play icon. Just tap on that. So it works. We just tested it out. It works. It's perfectly fine. Really simple. Just tap on OK. And now you have the automation. Now, if you plug in your iPhone, it will make that sound. All right. Time to test it out with the charger. All you have to do is just plug in the charger. Once you plug in your charger, it's gonna ask you for the permission. All you have to do is just tap on OK. And there you go. Super cool, right? There you go. It's pretty simple. What I'm gonna do is just gonna try it again to see if it works, okay? So just plug it in. Pretty cool, right? So let me try this again. Okay? It's let me try this again. It's so super cool. I actually cannot get enough of this. So now you have edited the sound, but as a bonus, I'm gonna teach you how you can actually delete this because it can get annoying off the time. So you wanna do is I'm gonna just start from the basics. So on your iPhone, if you go into the shortcuts, now inside the shortcuts, you wanna go into the automation. Now inside the automation, that's the one we created. All you have to do is just swipe left and you will have the delete option right there. So just tap on delete and it will automatically delete anything you added into the automation. So if I plug it in again, it won't make the sound. So let's see. Pretty simple. It's not making any sound. Let's try that again. See? No sound. It's really simple. Well, that's it for the video. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.